Good morning, this is Team Turkey. The team members are Jayin, Jamin, Salman, and me, Brian. Our project is about Nazar, a Turkish emirate. Turkey sits between the continent of Europe and Asia. It was the bridge of cultural communication that connected Europe and Asia. Turkey is a global melting pot of different cultures, as Asian culture and European culture meet and conflict in Turkey, and Turkish culture is spread to the world as well. The Turkish people are from diverse backgrounds, a reminder of the many different groups that conquered Turkey over thousands of years. The evil eye belief is one common belief that exists in many countries around the Mediterranean. People believe that one person can cast a spell on another through the unfriendly gaze. Each country has created their own amulet to protect themselves from the evil gaze. In Egypt, they have the Eye of Horus. In Middle East, they have a hand with an eye in the palm. And in Turkey, they have the Turkish evil eye, the Nazar. Nazar is a traditional amulet to counter the evil eye. Round shape, blue, light blue, white, and black color, and glass material are features of Nazar. Nazar expresses Turkish empathy for others because the amulet does not protect the person who buys it, only the person who receives it. Nazar in modern Turkish society is not related to religion or superstitions anymore. It has become an item that shows the caring and blessing by gifting to others. The true value that Nazar embodies is caring others.
Next one, we're talking about the similarities. Firstly, is the diverse countries. Turkey is an ethnically mixed and diverse country, a result of its location at the crossroads of Mid-East Europe and Central Asia, and the legacy of its multi-ethnic and multi-religious Ottoman Empire. Also, Australia is a vibrant multicultural immigration country. The fellow good luck and symbolize the logic behind these Nazar and Aboriginal message stones are used to intercept the evil gaze and protect the world of unwanted energy. So for the commercialization, when you go into the souvenir shop, you can see these items sell everywhere, commercializing traditional culture to stimulate the tourism economic and publicize the accessory traditions. Next one, we're talking about the verses. Firstly, we're looking for the historical background. The Turks were shamanist nomads who traveled through the Central Asia before arriving in what is now called Anatolia. This might be the reason why Nazabakuk is a synthesis made by the Turks of ancestral traditions of the countries. And Massage stones is coming from Asian Aboriginal legend stories. And then it became a valuable symbol of good luck. Next one, we're looking for the texture. For the Nazabaku, it's a blue glass bead containing smaller concentric circle within it. These are often pale blue, yellow, white, or black, and the massage stones made by stones and colorful pens. Lastly, we're looking for the popularities. As you can see in the graphic, in 2018, the Nazar ambulance became an emoji. It means that quite a lot of people recognize this symbol. However, massage stones are less common in our daily life and lack of public attention.
Um, Nazabakuk, a Turkish tradition that has come a long way from past until this modern era, where people had a strong belief about evil eye. It originally means protection from someone's evil gaze, but it's more of like a gift that someone presents to their beloved ones. This kind of gifting behavior contribute friendly connections among people and build harmony atmosphere in society. Nazarbakuk's workshop goals is to develop a friendly connection among everyone and share love through this Turkish traditional inspiration of gifting each other and grow its harmonious roots into the individualism that is present in current Australian society. Amy cares a lot for her family. She shares a lot about her interest in cultural lifestyle through social media. Her sharing behavior illustrates common interests with the meaning of Nazar Bakuk. Ufkum cares a lot about his future of his family and his upbringing. He wishes his children to learn more about his own culture through a workshop.
Those pictures inspired us to do the workshop. This is our storyboard. We set up a workshop store during the UNSWO week. Students can come here to DIY a souvenir by making it. People can know Turkish culture better. People also can assemble their customized Nazar Bakuk.
For the design part, the logo design is based on the traditional Nazar Bakuk, as Nazar Bakuk is an amulet to give and receive. I use the shape of hands to present the idea of giving and receiving. The symbol replaces the letter O, so there is the logo of Nazar Bakuk Workshop. There are mono version and mono reversed version, grayscale version and grayscale reversed version. They can be applied in different scenarios. This is the color palette. I use the traditional colors. Blue is the color of heaven and water, was sacred. It symbolized the infinity, the divine, the spiritual, and also invoke peace and calm. Light blue is connected to the sky where sun and the gods live, protecting and blessing the humans. White is the color of the eyeball. Black means the protector. This is the typeface and the hierarchy.
This is the main poster design for the Nazar Bakuk. It is based on the collage of the meaning of Turkish culture behind the evil eye. Each color were selected based off the themes of the evil eye with the mixture of some contrast. These are some of sub-posters of the event workshop. The first poster is made with the slogan to the workshop, and the second is made up of meaning protection that connects the sense of gifting and sharing. This is the mock-up that shows a realistic application of the posters.
So for the brochure is combined with the poster. The overall style we use classic yellow to match all week theme and attract students. It introduced the basic information of evil eye and the Nazar Bakuk and how to use the amulets. Finally, we introduce our activity and show the display of handmade products in detail. So we wish every student can enjoy our activity.
This is examples of amulet. You can choose what color you like, and people can pick different size of the glass ring to join together. This is another example of bracelet. People can learn how to make it by using straw and string. They also can add some decoration that we offered.
Next part is creative products. For this all-week activity, we designed the 3D illustration, namely Spark, Hug the Universe, and Welcome to Know My World. The Nazar Bakuk elements are combined with interesting illustrations, which shows that this culture can be young, interesting, and inclusive, and welcome people from all over the world to know it. The illustration can be used as stickers, share with your friends at events, or paste it on the computer or notebook to bring good luck for your new semesters.
This is the business card and website. And this page is the UNSW web page for Nazar Bakuk workshop. Introduce our activity in homepage. Our slogan is send your wishes to world because Turks always send Nazar Bakuk for their friends or families as a kind of blessing. People may be attracted by poster or brochures, so they come here to do something. People can know more Turkish culture by this way, and also they can send their gifts to other students as icebreaker. Next page. This is our references. That's all of our presentation. Thank you.